In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Notion with Slack. If you want your team to stay aligned without constant app switching, this connection lets you route important Notion activity straight into Slack, and it makes inviting Slack contacts to your Notion pages quick and seamless. Start in Notion. Open your workspace and head to Settings and Members. You'll find it in the left sidebar near the bottom under your workspace name. In the Settings window, go to the Connections tab. This is where Notion manages apps connected to your workspace. Find Slack and click Add to Notion for Slack. That will open a quick authorization flow in your browser. Next, log in and authorize the connection. Confirm you're signed in to the correct Slack workspace, especially if you belong to more than one. You'll be asked to grant permissions, so Notion can post updates and work with your Slack workspace. Review the prompts and approve to continue. If your company requires admin approval for apps, you might see a request screen. Follow your team's policy and proceed once approval is granted. When authorization finishes, you'll return to Notion with the Slack connection active. Now you can use the integration in two powerful ways. First, you can send real-time notifications to Slack when something changes in a Notion database. This is perfect for tracking new entries, status updates, or assignments without constantly refreshing pages. Depending on your setup, you can specify which databases send alerts and which channels or direct messages receive them, so important updates land where your team already collaborates. Second, you can invite Slack contacts to Notion pages. When you're sharing a document or project page in Notion, you can bring in the right people from your Slack workspace so everyone has the same source of truth. It streamlines collaboration, cuts down on manual invites, and helps new contributors find context quickly. A few tips to keep things smooth. Double-check you authorize the correct Slack workspace. Start with a small test database to confirm the notifications look the way you expect. And be mindful of access levels so people only see what they need. Clear naming for channels and databases can also reduce noise and make alerts more actionable for your team. That's the whole process. Go to Settings and Members, open Connections. Click Add to Notion for Slack, log in and authorize, and you're ready to send Notion database changes to Slack or invite Slack contacts to your Notion pages.